Hi, this is Satiris here, and today I just wanted to give you a little bonus. And one of the hardest things for people when they start online, one of the biggest problems most people face is actually making their first dollar. Okay, now obviously a dollar isn't going to be that much use to anybody, but your first dollar does give you a major breakthrough, because that is the day when you realise that you can actually generate money on the internet. But what I have decided to do is I've made this video series to make your first $100 online. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this is I'm going to be taking 3 programs, and now all these programs I have made, thousands or tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars with. So I will be showing you 3 different ways in this training how you can make your first $100 online. Okay, and that will be the catalyst to get you going and get you improving, so that you can keep on pushing your business to the next level. That's it from me. I will see you in the first training below. I'll see you soon.